6 locations. So that's gonna be 2 snorkeling areas, including the turtle spot, that's all swimming. We have 2 islands, including the sandbar or the starfish island. So actually now it's low tide. It's nice to go in the sandbar, but there's too many boats, it's crowded. So we skip. We go back later this afternoon. So instead of going there first time, we go snorkeling, we go swimming, we go to Fantastic Reef. So travel time from here, that's only 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. That's only 50 pesos each. Okay? I was kidding. Feel free to ask and let's enjoy. Ano ka ba?
Kabady, ito na po yung aming pangtanghalian sa aming dish. Ayan po ang Port Barton. Welcome to Port Barton. Ito po yung salad na talong. Ayan po yung karneng manok. At siyempre may baboy. At may isda pa rin mga kabady. At meron din tayong pansit. Yan ang mga kabady at kakain na po yung mga dish namin. Ayan. Ito mga kabady. Dito po kami yung kabady sa Maxon Island at papalans muna kami. At mamaya pupunta kami ng Pawikan at punta kami ng Fantastic Reef at Twin Reef mga kabady. Ayan na. Ito na po ang pinakalas naming destination. Ito po yung Pamuayan Beach. Bali mga 30 minutes lang po kami dito para mag-relax at bumili ng buko. Siyempre kahit papaano ang mga gisna nyo na yung makainom ng buko at bibili rin daw sila ng soft drinks at beer. Ayan po. Ito po yung beach ng Pamuayan. Dito po may isang tindahan na binibilihan ng mga beer, buko at pwede rin po kumain dito sa Pamuayan Beach. Ayan po. Ito po bumaba ng mga kasama namin para bumili ng